Are you considering Australia for your master's degree? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover about Australia from A to Z. First, let's talk about the pros and cons. Coming to the pros, globally ranked top universities such as University of Melbourne, ANU and University of Sydney, which rank the best among the world, are in Australia. Australia also offers post-study work visa for about 4 years based on your degree and location. It also offers high-quality education and life. You'll also be able to meet people from all around the world. Coming to the cons, the living cost can be little expensive when it comes to cities like Melbourne, Sydney, etc. And the job market is also pretty competitive. So why choose Australia over other countries like USA, UK and Canada? Simpler PR pathways. Australia provides a clear permanent residency for international students who meet the criteria. And coming to the weather, it's better than other countries. If you're wondering which courses are in high demand in Australia, here are some of the programs that are in high demand. Engineering and IT, business and management, healthcare and nursing, data science and AI, environmental science, and much more. Tuition fees vary from university to university. It ranges from about $22,000 to $50,000. Looking for scholarships? Many Australian universities offer merit-based scholarships, and you can also opt for government-funded options. Need to earn while you study? As an international student, you can work for up to 24 hours per week during the semester and unlimited hours during the breaks. Common part-time jobs include retail and hospitality, tutoring and teaching assistance, internship, etc. Living expense in Australia can vary from city to city. It basically ranges from about $1,400 to $2,500. Accommodation options range from on-campus housing, private rentals, homestays based on your budget. So is Australia the right destination for you? It offers world-class education, an amazing lifestyle and great career opportunities. But it's also important to plan well. So if you need any kind of help regarding your study abroad process, Masters Help is here to provide you that. We help you with the application process, visa guidance, educational loan and much more than that. So if you need any more information, you can contact Masters Help. So if you have any queries about Masters, you can drop it in our comment box and we'll reach out to you.